What's up everyone, today I have a beautiful $187 live day trading session for you guys. In the S&P 500 future we are trading the range chart. Again, leave a like and subscribe. Here we go. Okay, we are back in the range chart and the market opens in 5 seconds. Let's see, here we go, market open. Okay, we are going short currently. So if this candle closes long, I would be willing to go long. Here we go, 10 tick take profit. That would be a 14 tick stop loss. Here we go, first 10 ticks. So I immediately want to go short if this candle closes short. First beautiful trade after this engulfing range candle here. Of course, there are some additional rules that I follow before I enter a position, but that one worked out pretty nice. Okay, I'm short. Again, a 14 tick stop loss. So stop loss above this candle should be around 14 ticks. We can measure that once a bullish candle would print. Let's see if we are continuing short, breaking those lows, and I would immediately be filled. And I'm moving the stop loss to break even. Since my target was almost hit, but we are not filled yet. Do not want to risk the open profit now. Come on, go one tick lower. So we actually tested. Now we are filled with the second 10 ticks. That was a little difficult here at first. But in the end we got filled. I got in a little too late. My entry price was actually worse than I anticipated, to be exact 2 ticks. So we had to wait for the market to go 2 ticks lower. Okay, so far very good. Looks like the short momentum is not over yet. So since the opening candle we are coming in short, despite the VWAP probably being lower. So we are still trading above the VWAP. So a lot of traders probably are searching for long trades. I'm looking at the VWAP from time to time. Actually, we can take a look right now. Here's the VWAP. But that's not influencing my trading decisions too much. But there's like this little rule that above the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price, you should consider taking more long than short trades. We took one long, one short, profited on both. So currently I would only look for long trades, at least in this short move. Should this candle close bullish, in my books, this short move would have been reset and we would also be able to look for short trades again. Okay, but during this sell-off now, I would not try another short. I definitely want to wait for a reversal first, at least a counter trend bullish bar to reset everything, and then we might be able to look for short trades again. Okay, but for now, this should be it. And also this exit is very, very nice here, basically on the last tick. Beautiful trade here. I will also upload another weekly recap soon. I took some days off from trading. Why? I will explain everything in the weekly recap in the next one. So not that much had happened. We are trading here together again, live. Everything is completely real. So let's see. Yeah, still this long move. And now we are at the VWAP and you can immediately see how it influences the market. Okay, pushing it higher, at least 7 ticks. And I can also imagine that this candle might close bullish. So those VWAP setups are probably most of the time actually a good idea. They have probably a win rate well above 50% to buy once the market touches the VWAP from above. I'm not executing that. My rules are a little different, but it's nice to look at. And yeah, in a trending day like today, it works actually best. In a range here where the market is going up and down, probably not the best idea, but in such a day, we could have actually captured 13 ticks. It would have went long here at the VWAP. So this is how good it works. Again, still only looking for long trades currently. I will let you know once I start looking for short trades as well. Okay, so now I would consider also taking a short trade again, but the market does not give me a clear entry signal here currently. So we have to wait for our next entry a little bit here. So is the VWAP going to hold or not? That's a question currently. I would still probably execute a short position. The market tells me to. Preferably not right at the VWAP, to be honest with you, but I will follow my rules no matter what. I'm not trading any VWAP specific things. That's just nice to look at. Okay, this won't be an entry candle since we are in a so-called triangle formation. I won't take the entry here. In case we are going short, should we go long, I would probably take it, but not short. In case we're going long, we would leave the triangle formation behind. So let's just see what the market is up to. I will also enter market order here, not with stop order. Yeah, quite a big fight down here, huh? Not that easy. A lot of things happening here. Can also take a look at the market profile to see where the point of control is. Oh, right up here. Okay. And I need to go long soon. Let me check. So here's a lot of volume being printed currently. You can see that. But I'm gonna get rid of it again. Point of control was still up here. Yeah, a lot of volume is being printed in this range candle. That's the reason why I look at a range market. Okay, in the 1 minute or something, a lot of candles would have already been printed, and in the range chart we are still in the midst of this one range candle, and that's quite nice to look at. I'd say the chances are 60% that we're gonna break out long just because of the VWAP, yeah, to be honest. But the entry signal is not there yet, and this will be a big stop loss. Okay, I will put the stop loss, I can immediately tell you that, I will put the stop loss below this range candle, so that will be a very big stop loss. Okay, so bad reward risk ratio on this specific trade. Okay, and we are going long. Come on. 1 tick missing. This is really intense here. I'm ready to pull the trigger once this candle prints. Oh wow, we are actually going short. And this is the reason why I'm not executing with buy stop, because with a buy stop I would have already been filled. Okay. Okay, let's say concentrate, let's say wake here to pull the trigger. Again, 2 ticks too late, unfortunately. So now I guess I would assume, based off my experience, that this is a 23 tick stop loss, but I can't be too sure. Yeah, and I entered 2 ticks too late, unfortunately. 2 ticks too late, but that shouldn't be a problem. So here is the point where I would move the stop loss to break even, okay? Should we reach this level, stop loss will be moved to break even. Other than that, stop loss is down here. I will measure it precisely. Should we get a first bearish bar, okay? Then I would measure it precisely where to put the automated stop loss. And here we go, stop loss to break even. Don't want to risk anything here. And we are filled. Okay, 0. 0 made or lost. Would have been a 10 ticker, but I entered a little too late. I wasn't able to get in quicker, okay? So I did my best, and now we are out break even. So no problem here. This is the reason why I moved the stop loss to not risk anything on this trade. Little unfortunately that we weren't able to get those 10 ticks. Okay, we were at 8 or something. So I can move this one away for now. Yeah, and a 23 tick stop loss would have probably been the right choice. So I'm glad that we are not getting stopped out with 23 ticks, but rather break even. That is still alright. Okay, market just wasn't able to go any higher. Just a few ticks were missing. So let's get ready to find a new entry point. Long or short, I don't care currently. Still everything is possible. Okay. Do you guys think I lost a tick here? Actually looks like I lost a tick. Because the market went pretty fast there for a second. And did not stop me out break even. But rather with 1 tick loss. Okay, so be it. That happens sometimes when you put the stop loss to break even. This is a real future market, guys. This is no CFD stuff. Okay, it has its disadvantages. Okay, when some market is really fast, you get filled where the contracts are. Okay, where the next seller is or the next buyer, not with synthetic CFDs where there really is no buyer on the next side, but you're just trading against a broker. Okay, then everything could be different. But here you are getting filled where you are getting filled. So we're gonna see a entry probably soon. Market's a little slower here. The trade idea was very, very good on my last long trade. Okay, now let's get real here. Entry long, and I catch the perfect entry. Stop loss 14 ticks. Should be alright. I would only go break even once we are hitting the 10 tick mark. Okay, let's measure that to make sure that I'm not getting stopped out too early. Yeah, 14 should be alright. Doesn't look too good here. We are back at the VWAP. Yeah, and we are filled. Pity. Pity. Here we go, minus 14. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. So I would only go short now. This candle prints long, I wouldn't do it. I'm still thinking that we might break out long here. But you can't be too sure. Or can you? We will see. Maybe I would consider taking that long trade. Okay, I'm trying it with a 14 tick stop loss. So I would go break even once we reach this level of the point of interest here. I would go break even right there. But I hope that we are continuing long here for a second. Come on. Break out higher. Not there yet. Not there yet. Can also change the style of the clusters. Text color white. So, okay, white is a little bit too extreme. Let me change that to some grayish color so we can take a look at the contracts that are being traded in this candle. And we are actually going back down. This is not what I expected. Wow. Okay. Let's give this trade some time. Okay, we are one tick below the point where I move the stop loss to break even. And now the sellers are coming in again. Looking good. Come on, let's test this price level once more. We want to trade on this price level. Yeah, here we go. Stop loss to break even. Nothing to lose anymore. Nothing to lose. We can only win. Yeah, maybe we're gonna be stopped out break even. Unless the buyers are really pushing now. We were so close. One tick below. Yeah, come on buyers, push higher. A lot of sellers are here located. But no problem if we are stopped out break even. This is a trade I tried just because of the whole situation down here. Wasn't too sure if it's a successful one. So I'm glad that we are at break even. And now I want to see a breakout higher. Should we take a look where liquidities are maybe? Just for fun. Okay, we got a big one up here. Some smaller ones down here. And now we're gonna be stopped out. Very close. Okay, soon it's 10 a.m. A lot will happen there. So we should brace ourselves with the 10 a.m. candle. About 15 seconds. Okay, looking good. And we are almost filled. And here we go, 10 a.m. No! No! Why? Oh man, we were actually supposed to be filled. And then 10 a.m. came in and sold off again. Okay, we get a second chance. And we are filled. Guys, that was a fight. Here we go. Okay, I'm satisfied for today. That should be it for now. This last one was like some thriller, but we made it. 3 winning trades. 1 big loser here. Minus 14. 3 times plus 10. And 1 should have been 0. Probably was minus 1. So we ended up with 15 ticks in profit. And here's the result for today, $187.50. Thank you guys for watching. That should be it for now. We'll see us on the next episode. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future live trading stuff. We'll see us then. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you guys for your support. Appreciate it. Bye bye.